Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am showing you Goan coconut chutney with pudina. Okay, so this is different type of chutney. It's few basics. What you need are coriander leaves. So I've taken this bunch of coriander leaves. Then I've taken few of mint leaves. Pudina. So coriander is also known as cilantro. Okay. Then I've taken like one ball of tamarind, one this size teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt, and half coconut. So let's grind this, and one chili. So let's grind this. Chili, I am adding only one chili. So if you want, you can add more chilies, but I am adding because I want this like little spice, tangy and sweet chutney. Then we will add our pudina, that is mint leaf, and our tamarind, salt and sugar, a pinch of salt, and add this also, and we'll grind this to fine paste, and our chutney is ready. And you can use it for bread or making sandwiches or anything. So I'll add very little water to this. It's like 1 teaspoon of water. So here it is. Our chutney is ready. So hope you will enjoy this chutney. Very tasty it is. Try this chutney. So again, this chutney is sweet and little bit of tanginess, not spicy. If you want spicy, please add more of green chilies and more of garlic. Like for this chutney I have not added garlic, but you can add garlic. Pudina and coriander chutney is ready. Thank you so much.